Hello friends and welcome to Lakshmi Arts. And today in this video, let's see a super easy technique of painting a pot. This pot decoration will go with any home decor and will enhance it to its best. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of painting a pot which can be handled by any age group. Friends, let's see the step-by-step procedure of painting this beautiful, vibrant colored pot in this video. Let's start by taking a pot, clean it with water and wipe it dry. Apply a coat of gesso or white acrylic paint. Now let's prepare the design template. Let's measure the rim of the pot, that is 5.5 inches here. Now let's measure and cut a paper of 6 inches width. Folding the paper to get the center, let's use the compass to make some semicircles and petal shapes as shown. This is a very simple mandala shape, and we can make a more complex design using the same technique as shown in the video to make the template. Also, depending upon the height of the pot, we can increase the design by adding more semicircles and petals. Once our template is ready, let's transfer it to the pot. As the pot is circular, we may find it difficult to transfer the design using carbon paper. So let's cut the template design and place it on the pot and trace it as shown. Step by step, let's cut the layers of the design starting from the innermost design and again trace it following the design pattern. Let's continue to build the design on the pot by cutting the design template and tracing it onto the pot as shown. Here our design has been transferred on one side of the pot. Similarly, we have to trace the design on the other side of the pot too. For that, we can use the same cutout pieces to make the design. Here we have traced the design on both the sides. Let's extend the design to cover the area as shown. Now let's start painting each pattern using vibrant colors. Taking acrylic color, chrome yellow, let's paint some part of the design. We have to apply 2 coats of the color. Applying the second coat after the first coat dries completely. Next, let's take the orange color. Next is the black color. Next is the sap green color. Next is the cerulean blue color. Next is the violet color. We have to give 2 coats of each of the color to give a smooth look. Once we have completed coloring the design, giving 2 coats, giving a drying time to each coat, let's outline the design with black acrylic color. Apply a coat of varnish to protect the artwork once the colors are dried completely. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.